One of the transformative things in history is the role of dissent. People who have challenged the system and demanded a different and better way of life. The prototype for all historical rebels would be Robin Hood. It may well be that Robin Hood never actually existed, but that doesn't matter, because the mythology of Robin Hood has certainly existed and has persisted throughout time. The reason why we remain fascinated by Robin Hood is because he was an aristocrat who left behind the trappings of civilization to live in Sherwood Forest, where he robbed from the rich and he gave to the poor. And to be an aristocrat was to be totally free. And freedom is always a major force in history.